In 1908, a massive explosion rocked Siberia near the Tunguska River, flattening 800 square miles of forest. Witnesses saw a fireball streak across the sky, but no crater was ever found. Some say it was a meteor, others suggest a comet, or even a secret weapon. The blast was 1,000 times stronger than the Hiroshima bomb, yet left no impact site. Scientists still debate what caused the Earth's biggest unexplained explosion in modern history. Like and subscribe for more unsolved blasts from the past. Next up, the Dyatlov Pass incident.